Do a quick room tour before our luggage gets here. So we are in a 2-bedroom aquatheater suite number 9330. You come in right here and there's a hallway, and when you turn to the left, there's the first bathroom. Standard, just like any other room. There's a nice full-length mirror. To the right is the master bedroom. King bed. This one cannot be split apart. And there's a door to the balcony out that way. And a window, and over here is their bathroom. And it has a bathtub in it. So that's one extra thing on it. The rest of it's pretty standard sized. They have a closet there. I'm gonna come over here, Jana. TV, shelves, everything that you normally would see in a room. Come out to the hallway, and then to the left is the other bedroom. This one can technically sleep 4. There's a bed that can be split apart, and then there's 2 bunk beds. And the normal TV shelves, desk, all of that. Back out to the hallway, and we come down to the living room. This is also going to be my bedroom, because I'm gonna sleep on the couch. There's plenty of storage. There's a mini fridge under there. Beautiful windows. Over here is gonna be my closet. And they brought us snacks. We have all of our towels. And then we go out onto the balcony.
Fantastic spot too, so it might not be bad.
The balcony goes all the way over there where the master bedroom could see out. And comes all the way up here. There's a nice table for outdoor dining, some loungers. We see right off the back of the ship, including a view of the aquatheater suite. And then it even goes over to the side over here with a nice little ledge that you can sit and enjoy your drinks and watch the suite. Also, it was 11:30 and we walked right into our suite. It was already ready. So here is the living room made up as an extra bed. Took a while, but I found the plugins. They are around the corner. So right now the Oceanaria show is getting ready to start. The ship's rocking pretty good though, so I'm kind of surprised they're still gonna do it, but it sounds like they're wanting to do it.